The MacBook Pro is in for some major changes in 2021. What will Apple's laptop look like? Let's find out. The upcoming MacBook Pro rollout may be the most anticipated product Apple releases this year. That's because the rumors are flying like crazy, and if it all pans out, we can see some major changes. Let's go over what the reports are saying about the next MacBook Pro, starting with the laptop's design. Various reports say that Apple will release two designs, a 14-inch model and a 16-inch model. Apple already has a 16-inch MacBook Pro, and there's currently a 13-inch MacBook Pro in the lineup. Whether Apple keeps the 13-incher, we don't know. The new 14-inch model could be similar in size to the 13-inch laptop, but the black border around the screen, called the bezel, will be smaller, effectively creating a larger screen. Speaking of the screen, Apple may be using mini LED screens, which compared to the current LED backlit displays have better image contrast and greater dynamic range. As for the colors of the outer shell, Apple could stick with space gray and silver options, while lower-end laptops get color options, and the MacBook Pro logo under the screen might disappear. Inside the new MacBook Pro will be the next generation of Apple silicon processors. Apple released its first system on a chip, the M1, last November, and it's in the 13-inch MacBook Pro. The 14 and 16-inch MacBook Pro will get processors that are more powerful than the M1. It might be called the M1X or M2, and it could have a 10-core CPU, 16 or 32 graphics core options, support for up to 64 gigabytes of memory, and an improved neural engine. There are even reports that Apple will update the 13-inch MacBook Pro with a faster version of its M1 system on a chip with faster CPU and graphics cores. As for Intel processors, it's possible Apple will keep a couple of the current MacBook Pro models around as lower-priced options. But Apple is done with Intel processors, and they aren't going to be using new ones anymore. What other features can we see in the MacBook Pro? Here's what we could see. Apple's current M1 Macs have combo Thunderbolt USB 4 ports. We'll see more of that. We could see a power adapter that's magnetically connected. That way, it breaks away in case the cable is yanked. There have been persistent reports that the MacBook Pro will have an SD card slot. The touch bar could be gone, replaced by function keys, like on the Magic Keyboard. And the 1080p FaceTime HD camera in the 24-inch iMac could finally make its way to the MacBook Pro. So when can we get our hands on the new laptop? Reports say that Apple will make an announcement in the fall, sometime in late September or even early November. Prices have not been leaked, but based on prior Apple launches, the 16-inch model will likely start at $2399, with the 14-inch model possibly taking the place of the $1799 13-inch MacBook Pro. So that's what we could see in the new MacBook Pro. Tell us in the comments what you want to see in the new laptop, and check out Macworld.com for the latest reports. Thanks for watching.